this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Color and Contour bundle. So this fun card was made with the Color and Contour bundle, and it has these flowers that you can fill in with these distinctive stamps. This lovely splatter stamp, I really like that one. Sentiments, and then the dies have these awesome rectangle scalloped dies. I just love these, and I've used them on all of the cards in my color and contour card video tutorials. So for this card, I'm using the largest one that has these nice looped edge scallops on the edge. And I really love this edgelet that I'm using on one of the other cards as well. And then this die cuts out this flower, and this die cuts out this flower. So lots of fun possibilities with this bundle. So I started off with a piece of fresh freesia, and I cut it to 11 by 4 1/4 and scored it at 5 1/2, your regular card base. And then I cut a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I have cut this out with the largest scallop die, and I am going to stamp it with the splatter stamp. But first, let me show you the bundle in the catalog. It's on page 98. And so you can see a couple of samples, and then it's 10% off when you buy it in the bundle. And then what I love about the catalog is they are also showing in the die section that it's a bundle as well. And so you can look at it in the back in the die section. And so there's the embossing folders. I think they came first, yes. And so when you look at it on page 158, you can see the dies a little bit larger, and another sample, and then you can see the bundle is 10% off as well, right here. So I'm gonna start by stamping the splatter in fresh freesia. A fun splatter stamp, which I think is in here. It is not. So where did my splatter stamp go? Oh, I do have it out. It's right here, right in front of me, of course. And so I'm just going to stamp that just all around. And I'm gonna turn my stamp different ways so it doesn't look like I'm just repeating the same pattern across. There we go. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna stamp the sentiment, you're absolutely amazing. Love this sentiment. Such a great sentiment. And I'm gonna stamp it in the new Evening Evergreen in color. And then I've already stamped and cut out my flowers and my stems. So I've got one flower in powder pink, one in pale papaya, and one in the fresh freesia. And as you can see from the stamp set and dies, this is the flower that I cut out. And then I stamped the bottom of this flower and cut out the bottom of the stem and the leaves to create the stem and the leaves for these flowers here. So I'm going to place these on dimensionals, and then I'm just going to color these in with the blends. I'm going to use the Evening Evergreen blends, and I'm going to use the light blend to just color in the leaves to give it some color. And then I will glue these all down. And I love that all the in colors have blends, so you can perfectly match all your colors. And they, of course, coordinate together. So you can color all of these in. Okay. So I've got all of our stems and leaves. And now we'll grab some dimensionals for the flowers. Put the dimensionals in the middle. And of course for this layer, oh, it already came off. And we'll center this. And then I will put the fresh freesia flower in the center, since that is the background color. And then I will put the polished pink. We used to have a powder pink on the side, and the pale papaya on the other side. And then I will glue these three down. So I'm gonna get my silicone mat. This is helpful when you are gluing so that you don't get glue on your surface. So just add some glue here. And tweezers are nice, so you don't get glue all over. Let's see, it's better if I had the tweezers go this way. And I'll do the side ones first, so I'll just tuck that over there, and I'll kind of do it slanted. And I'm going to pull this down a little bit so we can see that leaf. So if I do that, then it means I need to do a little bit of trimming here. I didn't quite trim that. There we go. So you got to trim that up a little bit. There we go. And then I'll do the other side. And then I'll do the middle. Middle one is on top. And there is our card. So I'm offering a free card kit on this bundle, and it consists of 6 cards and 3 designs. So this design, this diagonal trifold card, and this fun fold card that opens up like this. So when you use the May Hostess code and purchase this bundle, email me and let me know that you would like the color and contour card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other color and contour video tutorials. I'll see you next time. Bye.